Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What's going on today? Well, I got the fuel line in, but it was way too tight in there to try to get you in there and show you how I was doing it and all. It was just too tight in there for the camera and everything. So I'll just walk you through what I did today. Here you can see where it's almost done. Why? Because I ran out. I got to get another short piece, probably about 6 inches long or so. What I'll do is I'll connect it there. I'll bend it here to fold it and bend it down, and it'll come up here. I'll put a fuel filter in here and then a rubber line from here down to the fuel pump that's just on the other side of this. Now you can see the 5/16 runs down there. Let's see if I can get it. It's a real tight hole right here. You can kind of see it here where it runs down on the back side of the fender here. This is where all that rubber line was. Runs down in and then picks up on the bottom of the car here. Comes out here. There's a whole bunch of bends there, but another 90 or about a 45 actually there catches that union. Then it jumps up to 3/8 here, and then it runs all the way down here where she steps up, goes into another union here. Now I did this union here on purpose because if anything bad ever happens, I can always stick an electric fuel pump right here, and then I can just bend this back around, or finagle it any way I need to put an electric fuel pump right here, because that's lower than the tank and everything. Anyway, then it goes between the body there, up, chases over the top of that fuel rail, frame rail, up top there, and then it 90s back across and comes out there. Now there'll be a little, let's see if I can get that on camera. There'll be a little rubber line that'll connect from the fuel tank to the hard line there. And then she's done. There we go. So that's what I've been doing all day today, is running this, and well, I had a few other things I had to do too, but anyway, I did get something done on the old Mercury today. She's getting almost ready for fuel. It's about another hour, I'll have her up and ready. And then what I'll do is I'll fill the tank and get it to running off of its own fuel in its own tank, and then I'll adjust the carburetor in after rebuilding it and all that, and I'll dial it all in. So that's where I'm at today, and in the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot, even in these 105-degree weather. I gotta hand it though, it was a lot nicer working under here where it's a little shady. I had a whole bunch of Mercury shade going on. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. In the meantime, keep that metal hot. We'll see ya.